Picker Pro using my Gibson Les Paul Standard 50s. First the Suhr. Now to the Mooer solo. Morpher. Alright, and we're going to go now, we're going to flip to a different gain structure on each. That was classic. Now we're going to go to natural. I'm leaving the Suhr where it was all the way over to the left. And we'll go to the middle position, pick up now. More solo. Go to the tight gain structure on each pedal. And I'm going to cut down to the bridge pickup. Start with the Suhr. Oops, I had the Donner running with it. Now here's just the Suhr by itself. Solo. Idea of the gain, the pedal has plenty of gain. You can boost it with with a blues, with a blues driver or a tube screamer, but really it has enough gain, and that's mid gain on all the